services lost contact with the Boeing 777 with 239 people on board, which was flying from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing.
El avión se desvió de su curso a cientos de millas hacia el estrecho de Malaca, donde fue rastreado por última vez. Hasta allí se ha extendido la búsqueda.
What in the hell happened to Malaysia Air Flight 370?
మరోవైపు అండమాన్ జలాల్లో మలేషియా విమానం జాడ కనుగొనడానికి
3月8号凌晨，从马来西亚吉隆坡飞往北京的。
According to this new data, flight MH370 ended in the southern Indian Ocean.
A 6-hour flight has become 4 days of questions and theories of anger and grief. Yet we are still no closer to understanding what made the plane disappear without trace. No mayday, no wreckage, no answers. And despite some hoping for a miracle, little chance of anything other than the worst-case scenario being confirmed.